Hello, welcome to Microlocity. In today's video I'm going to open up a few cars that I found today at the Dollar General. But first I just wanted to give a big thank you out to everybody that has been watching and subscribing. The past probably 2 weeks or so, my subscriber count has basically doubled, even surpassed that. And so I'm now over 500, and I thought it was going to take me a lot longer to get to that point, so I'd like to thank everyone for watching and subscribing. And let's get into open the cars. So these are just some that I found I thought were pretty cool looking and that I don't own. This is a 33 Plymouth. I love these old cars. Now this one, I would really like to add some more details to this. So the black doesn't come up too great in my camera, but it's just a really cool casting, and this one would be pretty easy to add a good amount of detail. You can see like the picture there, the chrome grille and the lights. A lot of the side detail is there. So this one might be one of my first attempts into doing a little customizing. And next is one that I've actually been looking for, and this is the Poop King. And I basically wanted this for my dioramas. I thought it'd be kind of cool. See, these the porta potties come out. Let me turn on my other light here. See if that, there you go. So you got the Poop King logo in there. And then I guess that's a wash your hand sign. There's a lot of detail in this thing. I'm pretty surprised. Yeah, it says Poop King on the front. And I watched a video, I can't remember who did it, but I watched a video on a gentleman that customized one of these with, I think they added some pipe to the side for sucking out the porta-johns. But I thought this was pretty cool to get for my dioramas. So I might even try to do a little bit of detail on these, maybe even cut them apart. If I do that, I have to try to add a piece in the middle there, but that's pretty cool, I think. And next is a load lifter. And I got this for the same reason, for the diorama type stuff. And this actually functions, which is really neat. I have an old style forklift, and which is also a Matchbox. I think that's in one of my first diorama videos. But I kind of like the construction type vehicles. I think they're pretty cool. And these two I'm not going to open because I don't have them in my collection. And it's a 86 Monte Carlo SS and a 99 Ford Lightning. They're both really cool castings. The Monte Carlo is really heavy. I'm trying to see if that's... I'm pretty sure it's a plastic base. That's a heavy casting. If I find another one, I'll pick it up, and I'd like to open it up. And that's it. That's all I got. Like I said, just thank you for everyone who has been watching, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel started off of me just kind of showing the collection that I had. I kind of felt bad that it was all packed away in boxes, and I started to do some diorama stuff because it's something I've always wanted to do, and it seems like everyone seems to enjoy it, so I will keep on doing it. For the future of this channel, I have a lot of ideas in mind, and I do a lot of other stuff that doesn't really belong on this channel, so I had thoughts on starting another channel just for random stuff, because I don't want to clog this channel with, you know, non-die-cast diorama related stuff. I built a lot of let's see what you call them, I guess kind of experiment type things. Like I built an air rocket that you hook into a compressor and you shoot paper rockets, and I just built it from scratch with just stuff I had in my garage. So I do a lot of that type stuff that I like to do some videos on. So that will be not too far in the future when I start that other channel, but I kind of want to get my diorama thing wrapped up here before I even get into more stuff. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.